Here we are at the Revolution's Mustang meet. We are going out to Barrett Junction today. Should be an awesome drive. Some very nice cars here today. And here's the brand new 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And I have to say, in person, it looks a lot nicer in person than it does in photos. It looks very nice in this dark blue. Wow. Really shines. I like that spoiler. It looks sweet. Very cool. Awesome. 10-speed automatic. Interesting. Wow, 10 speed. That sounds like overkill to me. This dark blue is very, very dark. Wow, that's pretty cool. Very nice. This Roush looks awesome. Very cool. It's dark green.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that guy.
Because, dude, that guy's loud.
Pipes are generally louder and shit.
He's barely touching it. It's loud as hell. Yeah. Wow, this looks awesome. Very cool. Check out those wheels. That is sweet. Dude, that is seriously awesome. Very cool.
The Shelby exhaust bumper.
Oh, that's nice.
It's got turbos on it. This is hilly.
These carbon fiber flares are quite something. Look at that meat in the back.
Jeez.
This thing's insane. I mean, the amount of money spent on this car. Well, there's a huge intercooler in the front. I think it's got turbos.
It says 345s in the back.
Wow.
That's crazy.
This is the guy with the Cooks, or was it the Cooks? The Cooks exhaust?
Well, I don't remember.
But this is the guy that was incredibly loud. Crazy. This looks nice. Dark dragon, apparently. I like his wheels. Very cool. GT. Carbon fiber vinyl on the hood looks nice. I think this one might be one of my favorites, actually.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, it looks perfect. So mean looking.
On the rims on it.
With the nice rims. I think the aftermarket company might be SVE, maybe, I don't know. Never heard of them, but they look nice. And this green 5.0. This Shelby GT 350. Awesome in this gray. Very, very nice. Yeah, this is one sweet ride. So again, we're here with the Revolution Mustang Club, San Diego. Good group of guys, and there's a good turnout today. All cars. Nice drive out to Barrett Junction. have the Boss Shinoda rare car. Brand new 2018 Mustang GT. And Jesse's Boss 302 that we took today. Very nice day today. And car's performing great. Thank you for watching StickShiftStudios. I hope you enjoyed this Boss 302 Mustang drive. A special thank you goes out to Revolution Stangs for being so very welcoming to Jesse and I. We greatly appreciate it. Please watch my other Boss 302 videos, and I hope you have a Happy New Year.